JJ mudra is a hand motion symbol that has the main function to restore all the body motion of energy pattern towards the natural pattern and flow in any circumstances, either body or mind. Consciousness will be immediately reconcile. Benefits for health is to balance the brain's neural functions, good for stroke, migraine, vertigo, etc. Also to balance the function of lungs, for breathing system, good for asthma, bronchitis, cough, etc., and to make blood flow better and smoothly, good for heart function. The awareness function is for calmness, easy to focus, fasten the power of analysis, etc. The spiritual function is to balance of left and right energy channels so that the shumsuna channel can flow smoothly and freely, for the cleanse of the chakras, to clear the aura of the body, for shield or protection system, and so the tapaktara or balance system of the body become active. How to do it? Put your thumb and little finger together. Just touching, no need to push hard. While the rest of the fingers in the middle closed. Try not to let the closed fingers touching each other and leave a space in between hands. Then close your eyes, relax and just observe. Best position to do it is right in front of your liver or your core. Do this mudra for 15 minutes each time. Please try and hopefully useful.